नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Sarvanyapita Yajamans, Kartas, Srimahans, Mahans, Kotaris, Tanedar, visitors, viewers, Nityananda Yogam participants, Nityananda Hindu University students, Kalpataru Yoga participants, and everyone watching live on Nityananda TV, YouTube Live, Facebook Live, Enlighten app, Kailasa TV, Hinduism Now TV, Twitter and two-way video conferencing, online Gurukul students. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Today, especially the Kalpataru Yoga participants attending all over the world, I welcome all of you with my love and respects. First thing, I wanted to express my happiness, joy, bliss that in Ayodhya, Ramajanma Bhoomi, Sri Ramachandra Prabhu's temple is going to happen. I'm so happy. Just wanted to express my joy, bliss. Jai Shri Ram. Jai Shri Ram. Jai Shri Ram. And today's session is all about Kalpataru. Understand the first sacred secret, powerful cognition. Sanatana Hindu Dharma is all about life positive. It is neither exploitative nor violent or abusive tradition. It does not ask you to convert. It does not ask you to involve in any life negative thinking or activity. It does not even behave authority. It does not even behave like an authority. It is not authoritarian. Listen carefully. In Sanatana Hindu Dharma, truth is authority. For example, in Sanatana Hindu Dharma, kings are not remembered, only gurus are remembered. That also how? No form, nothing. Once they leave the body, just Shivalinga is installed on them. That's it. Vaishnava Sampradaya, Tulsi plant is planted. Shaiva Sampradaya, Shivalinga is installed. Over. Nobody knows your face. Nobody knows how you look. Nobody knows about anything. All your life's important achievements will be considered and written as a Purana, Leela, Shiva Leela. That's it. Maybe maximum your name will be there in the name of the deity, like a Sundareshwara. Agastishwara. Patanjali Ishwara. Like that, the deity's name may carry your name, the name you had. That's it. Nothing else. Understand? In Hindu tradition, only truth is authority. Nothing else is authority. It is such extreme life positivity, I tell you. I have read enough of philosophies, ideologies, fresh, living, most ancient, like sun, as fresh as sunrise, as living as sun, is our Hindu tradition. Sanatana Hindu Dharma, Vedas and Agamas, so fresh, so refreshing. There is nothing called authority exists in Vedas and Agamas. First thing, today I wanted to tell you all, I bless all the Kalpataru Yoga participants who are attending all over the world. All the Kalpataru Yoga participants, if you are able to see me and hear me, please wave your both the hands. I wanted to bless all the Kalpataru Yoga participants. All the boons you wanted will be fulfilled. As living manifestation of Paramashiva, I bless you all. All the boons you wanted will manifest. My blessings. Understand, now I wanted to explain the science of Kalpataru. Listen carefully. Hinduism is all about life positive. It is absolute life positive. It is all about the extreme enlightenment and intelligence. Means truth is the authority in Hindu tradition. Nothing else, nobody else. Nobody can make an authoritarian tradition, authoritarian cult out of Hinduism. No. Fundamentally, only truth can be authority in Hindu tradition. Even the great gurus, great Mahatmas, incarnations, they are remembered only as deities, representing the principles of Vedas and Agamas. Hinduism is all about life positive, extremely life positive. Understand? That is why when Parashakti brings this science to planet Earth, she comes from Kailasa carrying Atma Linga. Paramashiva himself as Atma Linga, and this whole science, Paramashiva Jnana and Paramashiva Vijnana, to planet Earth, to Kanchipuram. And that is where Paramashiva appears again and teaches the whole Paramashiva Jnana and Paramashiva Vijnana to Parashakti in human language. It is called Kamikagama. Kamikagama very clearly says it was taught to Devi in Kanchipuram. That Agama itself, the name of the Agama, Kamikagama, means methodology to achieve what you want. Understand? Hinduism is all about life positive, manifesting what you want. It is all about truth. Truth is the authority. Today I wanted to tell you an important thing. Through this Kalpataru Yoga blessings, first thing I give you, the boons you asked will start manifesting, my blessings. Second, today also you are given a new possibility to restart your whole life. Understand? Not only I claim, I declare past can be changed. Understand? Hinduism not only claims, it declares. Not only the future can be built as you want, the past can be altered as you want. If you start practicing completion from today, every night, not only you will build your future as you want, I give you the power to change your past as you want. Start practicing completion intensely, sincerely every day, you will understand. Building the future as you want is possibility. Changing the past as you want is power. Understand? Building the future as you want is a possibility. Changing your past as you want is power. This power and possibility, both possibility to build the future, power to change the past, both starts manifesting in you when you start doing completion intensely every day. First, I give you the boons you asked, all the Kalpataru boons, as living representative of Paramashiva. I bless you all. All the prayers and boons you are having, let it be fulfilled. My blessings. Second, from today, start practicing completion. More and more completion. More and more you will manifest the possibility of building your future as you want, changing your past as you want. Third important thing, watch satsang every day. Read my Prasthanatraya revelations. Prasthanatraya means Upanishads, Brahma Sutra, Bhagavad Gita. I have already written books revealing all the original Akashic records of Upanishads, Brahma Sutra and Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita is already published. Upanishads and Brahma Sutra is available in video form. Read and internalize this Prasthanatraya. Understand? Hindu tradition is all about truth and raising your frequency. I want all the temples, adinams, universities of Kailasa to start collecting Vedas and Agamas and all the books I have written and start organizing library, Jnanalaya and Grantha Samadhi. I also request all the volunteers to support this Grantha Samadhi happening, Jnanalayas happening. All our temples should have largest Grantha Samadhi and Jnanalaya of Hinduism in your city. You should be the largest Jnanalaya in your city or state or country. Because Hinduism is all about truth. Hinduism is all about truth. Listen. All Sarvanya Pitas should collect all the books I have written and all the Vedas and Agamas in every possible language and start having huge library. Understand? Yes. Only if you read the original Prasthanatraya, Veda Agamas and Brahma Sutra, Bhagavad Gita and Upanishads, only if you read the original, you will understand the reality. You will understand the truth. You will understand what I stand for. Listen. I want to tell you, Jnanalaya, Grantha Samadhi, Hindu traditional library. See, Hindu traditional library has principles. Like a books are gods, living representative of Saraswati and Dakshinamurti. They are organized as per Vedas, Agamas. The authority means the frequency of the truth they express, not ordinary word authority. The authenticity of the truth they express. The which frequency level truth they are expressing. Based on that, they are classified. Vedas and Agamas are given the ultimate state of Shruti, and Puranas are all given the status of Smriti. Then Upavedas, Upagamas, Upapuranas, all that continues. And I have a great news for all you guys. Last 10 years, we worked almost 50 lakh, means 5 million books we have collected. In this, there are the unique books. Means we have only one copy. From many old bookstalls, platform bookshops, old elderly Hindus who collected their personal library, they gifted it to us. Like that, we collected from all over India. It is all legally collected. We are the legal owners. There are lots of unique books. And we have also collected the great publishers, each book 100 copy, like a Ramakrishna Mission. All their publication, 100 copies I have collected because I wanted to keep in 100 Sarvanya Pitas all the publications of Ramakrishna Mission. Same way Ramanashram. All their publication I have collected 100 copies. All the Adinams, there are 7 major Saiva publishers in India. Kashi Saivagama Publications, Kashi Srimat Saivagama Publications, Dharmapuram Adinam, Tiruvavadurai Adinam, Tiruppanandal Adinam, and other Adinams publications. All their publications, I got 500 books. Understand? Not 100. 500. Because they are running out of print and they are slowly, many of the Shaiva publishers are slowly reducing their activities, shutting down, means not able to run the publication department, unfortunately, for various reasons. So I have tried to collect, at least in our Sarvanya Pitas, we will have at least 1 copy of all these great books. Understand? Motilal Banerjee Das and Chaukamba publishers of Kashi, all these great Indology publishers, genuine Indic spirituality publishers, Hinduism publishers in Vedas, Agamas, Puranas, all of it. I have already purchased 100 copies each book. This time, all the US temples, Canada temples, US ashrams, Canada ashrams, Australia, Malaysia, all temples, ashrams all over the world, Singapore, even all over India, can take as a gift 1 copy from all these books. Understand? All these books, 1 copy is gift for all the temples. Means like in Vedas, 1 copy. In Agama, 1 copy. Means it is not actually 1 book. Vedas alone, we have 700 book. All 700 books, 1 copy each temple can take. Australia can take all 700 books, Vedas, 1 copy. Agamas alone is something like 1,500 books. All 1,500 books, 1 copy, Australia can take. Bhagavad Gita's alone, we have collected almost 1,000 Bhagavad Gita commentaries. All 1,000 Bhagavad Gita commentaries, 1 copy Australia can take. One copy means 1,000 book. In, for example, Brahma Sutra, Bhagavad Gita, Sankara Bhashya, 1 copy. Brahma Sutra, Sankara Bhashya, 1 copy. And Bhagavad Gita, Ramanuja Bhashya, 1 copy. Prabhupada's commentary, 1 copy. Paramahamsa Yogananda's commentary, 1 copy. Like that, each commentary of Bhagavad Gita, you can take one copy. And specific temples like a Houston, cosmology, all the Hindu cosmology related books, you can take 1 copy. All the general books which we bought, 100 copies, like 18 Puranas, 18 Upapuranas, all 18 Puranas and 18 Upapuranas are, that alone is 3,000 book. All the temples can have 3,000 book. We already collected more than 5 million, 50 lakh, these multiple copy books. Majority has reached Biddi and still some are reaching Biddi. This Paramashivoham, on my birthday, the gift will be given to all the Sarvanya Pitas. Any Sarvanya Pita interested in maintaining Jnanalaya can send people and collect it, pack it, and I am giving it as a gift. You can take it. It's a spiritual gift to all of you. Understand? Study, reach out, share, spread Vedas and Agamas. All the ancient books will be in Bididi. They will be stored only in Bididi. They will not be given. Only the modern day published. See, ancient books, many books are printed and published in the modern day. So all the modern day publications like Motilal Banerjee Das, Chaukamba Publishers, Ramakrishna Mission, Ramana Ashram, Osho, J. Krishnamurti, all the Shaiva Adinams and Shaiva publications of Kashi, all this and some more. There are more publishers, almost from 2000 publishers, Hindu publishers. We have collected books. You can have each book one copy and organize it in the. We already made the clear chart how the library should be organized. Vedas first, Agamas next, then all the Puranas, Smritis, beautifully we have organized. And we are also trying to collect all the deities. Like for each Veda there is a deity. Veda, Samaveda Murti, Rigveda Murti, Yajurveda Murti, Adharvana Veda Murti. The deities also we are trying to collect. Already we made a huge stone deity for Houston. Houston is going to get all 4 Vedas deities, huge beautiful deities. We are now trying to make in metal also for all Jnanalayas. So not only you will keep books, you will keep the deity also in that same rack. So you will worship the deity, connect with the deity and read the books. So the reading immediately makes experience for you. You get the jnana and vijnana. Understand? This is the purpose of Jnanalaya. Jnanalaya, as per Hindu tradition, represents Akashic records. We have collected huge volume of books of Hinduism. Motilal Banerjee Das, Chinmaya Mission, yes, and ISKCON, great publishers. All their publications we have collected, and all the temples, Sarvanya Pitas, can take the books and beautifully make Jnanalaya library. I'll try to get the deities also made. For each Purana, that deity. So, thanks to many of the Sarvanyapita Yajamans, Kartas, for contributing, continuously supporting all the activities. So next 1 week I will present all the updates on Jnanalaya. I will focus on Jnanalaya because I am going to make you all manifest the powers of Akashic reading. I am preparing all of you. So Akashic reading and our activity will be Jnanalaya, enriching activity. Then deity worship, Atmalinga initiation, our activity will be sacred arts, supporting the sacred arts. Understand? For each of the integrity, spiritual practices, we will do one enriching activity. So thanks to all the Sarvanyapita Yajamans, Kartas, donating, funding, and many volunteers giving time, talent, treasure. Thanks to all of you for making this happen. Let's make 108 Jnanalaya happen on this Jayanti. This is what I want. 108 Jnanalaya. If you are ready to run a Jnanalaya, send an email to kailasa.org with the details that you should be having a place. It should be public charitable entity. You can send an email, registrar@kailasa.org. All the books we will gift. You need to run it as per the Hindu tradition. In Hindu tradition, there is a clear methodology to run the library Jnanalaya. Today, the Yuvarajas are taking the responsibility of printing all the Vedas and Agamas in palm leaves. We have got palm leaf printing machine, 2 machines. They are taking both the machines to Madurai SSJP and installing. 24 hours they are going to work and print all the Vedas and Agamas in palm leaves. That is for worshipping and reminding how our tradition existed. The paper books are for reading. Palm leaves are more for worship. Paper prints, paper editions are more for reading. So we will have from palm leaf to digital Kindle version, everything. Palm leaf version, book version and kiosk. We will have kiosk in all the Jnanalayas where just you can browse through the books through the kiosk. Palm leaf to kiosk, all the versions we will keep and have Jnanalayas. We have a standard methodology to run Jnanalaya in Hindu tradition. We will do it exactly. Understand? So many times I have started this Jnanalaya projects. Sometimes it took some steps, sometimes it got stuck for various reasons, but I will not stop. I am going to make it happen. I am going to make it happen. Now, this Jayanti, the coming Jayanti, I wanted 108 Jnanalayas to happen all over the world. And that day, 108 team should receive all the books. At least first batch, few thousand books. And from this, we will expand, establish in each city the largest Hindu library. Largest Hindu library. For example, Los Angeles means that should be largest Hindu library in California. Seattle means that should be largest Hindu library in Washington. Ohio means that should be the largest Hindu library in Ohio state. Melbourne means that should be the largest Hindu library in Australia. Houston should be Texas size. See, in Texas, everything is large size. In Houston, we should have the world's largest Hindu library. Houston should not be just largest in Texas. Houston should be world's largest Hindu library. And Toronto, same way, largest Hindu library in Canada. Like that. Same way I wanted the world's largest Hindu library in Bidadi, world's largest Hindu library in Madurai, world's largest Hindu library in Ichapuram, world's largest Hindu library in Gujarat OSJP, world's largest Hindu library in Tiruvannamalai. In all these places we have land, we have property. We should make world's largest libraries. Understand? That's the best way to serve Hinduism. That's the best way to serve Hinduism. So with this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam, Paramashivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.